Hey again, this is Andy from PotatoesandPearls.com, and in this video I am going to show you how to make crab wontons in the air fryer. It's really easy. It's very similar to one of my other videos that I do with egg rolls. So I'm going to show you the filling I make and how I roll them up and make this easy, quick party snack right after this. The filling is really easy. I put in 8 ounces of cream cheese, a half a cup of imitation crab meat, and I cut up about 4 green onions, the whole thing, the bottom white pieces up to the green stalk part, and put that in. And then I add in some seasonal, or you can just use salt and pepper if you don't have seasonal. Just a note with the cream cheese, I do leave it out for a few minutes just to get it soft so I can mix it together. And as you see, I have mixed together everything in the bowl, and I'm going to show you how I fill my wontons. I normally just take a teaspoon and scoop out a small amount of the mixture and place it in the middle of the wrapper. I then take the wrapper and pinch it together on the sides. While I'm pinching it together, I also am using water to seal up the sides of the wonton wrapper. So I'm just pinching it together and then sealing up the sides with water till everything kind of forms in a nice little pocket. And with this method, it makes it easy to prevent ripping or tearing. You can also fold it into triangles, but this is just a method I prefer because it takes up less space in the air fryer. Before I put the wontons into the air fryer, I like to take some melted butter and a pastry brush and brush some butter on the outside of the wonton wrappers. It's just an enhancer of flavor, and it also helps with turning the outside of the wontons a nice golden brown color while in the air fryer. You can use olive oil as well. Before putting the wontons in, make sure that you put in a thin coating of some type of light oil. I never recommend using Pam or any spray like that, but you can use, like if you have canola oil or some olive oil in the house, just put on a light coating inside of the air fryer to prevent sticking, and you're going to put them in there on 350 for 8 minutes. The 8 minutes have passed, so I'm going to go ahead and pull my wontons out of the air fryer, and as you can see, they have developed a nice golden brown color on the outside. I don't stack the wontons on top of each other to prevent sticking, so I'm going to go ahead and cook my other batches. So now that I've cooked all my batches of wontons, I just went ahead and threw them into a bowl. You can serve them however you like with whatever sauce that you like. I personally either like sweet and sour sauce or a sweet chili sauce. And another thing I like to do is the leftover duck sauce packages from Chinese food. I like to use the duck sauce as a dip for my wontons. So whatever you like, whatever you prefer, whatever you have access to. I hope you like this video. It is really quick, simple, easy. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you did. And if you are into food videos, especially Instant Pot videos and air fryer videos, this is a channel for you. I post here weekly, and you should consider subscribing. I also post information sometimes about my travels, and I post home DIYs. A lot of that information is over on my website, which is www.potatoesandpearls.com. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope I was able to give you a lot of good information on making crab wontons in the air fryer, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!